Okay, so this is the spray foam off the Kirby over there, and this is just basic mild dish soap. The advantage is the foam starts breaking down, it definitely loosens dirt, and this is just kind of a pre-clean before I wipe it down with a very light rag. So I'm not using any harsh cleaner, anything that's going to do any damage to this, but the foam works very well. You can also vacuum this foam off here, but I don't want to do that right now because the foam, while the bubbles are there, it's working its magic. So a little bit of light soap in there, and I do a wipe down and watch the dirt come off of it.